Okay, what we are going to draw today is we are going to draw this um, full 4-bit adder and comparator circuits, okay, using truth tables, not any normal thing. Okay, so let's get started. So let me open the Logisim. Okay, let me open the Logisim. So over here, so after that, what you have to do is you have to go to the combinational analysis. So I'm going to design a full adder. So for full adder, you have two inputs. A in inputs. So look where I'm going. I'm going here. Preferences is it's supposed to be this. So Windows combination analysis. So remove this. So from first, give A for input, and another input is B. Okay, and another input is C in. Okay, so let me draw the graph. So let me draw the full adder for you. So this is the full adder circuit. So you have A, B. So this is A and this is B, and C in is also an input, which is another carry, and this is sum is output. Sum is output, and C out is also a output. Okay. So in input you have A, B, C in. So this A is given over here, B is given over here, and C in is given over here. So these are all inputs. So then for outputs, what you have to do is you have to go to the outputs, and in outputs you have to type C this carry or C out. C out, okay, and sum, SUM, sum. Okay, so according to this, C out is this and sum is this. Okay, all are outputs. Okay, sum is also an output. Okay, okay, then what we have to do is after that we have to go to the tables. So the table is formed. So in here, C in all are given 3 inputs. So all zeros, it will also be a 0. So in here also 0 0 0. So it is an adder circuit. So C in is not counted as a thing. So this is also 0. So this is also 0. Just type the truth table for the full adder. Okay. Then the circuit will be formed. Okay. 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1. Okay, so the expression is this. Okay, minimize, you can also minimize the circuit. Okay, so I don't want to minimize it. Okay, so I don't want to minimize it. Sum of product of sums, you can do it anyway. Okay, you can also minimize the circuit in this manner. Okay, so now I am building the circuit. So I am trying to use NAND gate and use all the input gates. So now what I am doing, I am just typing full adder, full adder circuit. Okay, the circuit has been built. So now you can test it. So 0 0. So for A, if you put 1 and other 0, the sum will be 1. So it is correct. So again you can test this circuit. Okay, this is the first form of circuit. Then we are going for the comparator. Okay, comparator circuit. And now before comparator we will try to build full subtractor. Okay, full subtractor circuit. So for subtractor circuit, you just again go to the Windows combination circuits, go here, remove all these things. Okay, remove all these things, and everything is empty now. Now you just type A, B. This is for subtractor. So I am telling you, this is for subtractor circuit. This I am building for subtractor, the second one. Okay. So now what we have to do, we will first build a half subtractor. Okay, A, B, and outputs are uh, supposed to be difference and borrow. So difference and borrow. Okay, go to the table. So this is the table. So in here, when you differentiate 0, 1 is 1, you can check it. This is borrow is 1, and these are supposed to be 0, 0, and you cannot make sequential circuits in this, I think so. Only combinational circuits, and these are all created. Then you have to go here. This is the expression. Then sum of products and products of sum. Okay, now you can choose this. You can choose in any way. Okay, now what we will do is we will build the circuit, give it as half subtractor. Okay, build it. Okay, yes, this is the difference table. Okay, use NAND gates if possible. Subtractor, half sub as half subtractor. Okay, I don't know why it is coming again and again. Untitled 2. Okay, untitled 2 and half sub. It has been built. Okay, you can also check this. This will be correct. Okay, now let's close these two things and again open the Logisim. So full subtractor, we are going to build this full subtractor now. So in order to build, again we are going to this combinational analysis. Okay, and in inputs we are typing A and B. Okay, and B in. Okay, and in outputs we are typing D and B out for full subtractor. Okay, and after that you have to go to the table. So this is 0, 0, 1, 1, and this is for 1, 1, 0, 1. When you subtract only, it will show this 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and the expression is this. So the minimized component is this, as you can see, and this is for products, sum of products, and for sum of sums, this is supposed to be like this. Okay, you can also minimize it if you want. B out is supposed to be like this, and for D it is supposed to be like this, and this is the table for full subtractor. Okay, take a good look at this. So it is, if you can want, you can minimize this. So build full subtractor, full sub. Okay, use NAND gate if possible. So this is the full subtractor. You can even check it. Okay, for example, let's check this. A and B in, A and B in, and B out, A and B in. I'm sorry, A and B in. Sorry, B and A, B in is supposed to be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, B out is supposed to be 1. So the circuit is correct. So now we are going for the comparator circuit. Okay, so we are going to build the comparator circuit, and also if want we can build any amount of circuit that is needed, even 8-bit, 16-bit or anything. Okay, so now what we are going to build is, we must build 4-bit to 8-bit adder, but we don't have time. So let's build. So this is supposed to be A naught, B naught, and this thing outputs. Okay, so we can build this. So A1, B1, code conversion, BCD converter. So we can also build an BCD converter, binary to decimal converter, I think so. Okay, binary to decimal converter, gray code also, binary to gray code converter also we can build it. Okay, so binary to decimal converter also we can build it. So let's build an binary to decimal converter. So this is enough for full bit half adder circuit and this thing. So next thing would be on full binary to decimal converter.